Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic technique for creating eye-catching graphics, whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or any creative project where you want to combine multiple images seamlessly. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express workspace. After you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your design options are available. Now click on Start New Design to begin creating your project. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. This allows you to choose the exact dimensions you need for your project. After setting your preferred size, click Create New File to open a blank canvas. Alternatively, if you already have a project you're working on, you can simply select that existing project instead. With your canvas ready, look to the left panel and click the plus icon. This opens up various options for adding content to your design. From there, select Media to access Adobe Express's image library and upload options. In the upper left corner, click Photos. Here you'll see a range of options for finding images. You can browse through the featured photos that Adobe Express provides, or if you have something specific in mind, use the search bar. For example, if you're looking for landscape imagery, type mountains into the search bar and hit enter. This will populate a selection of mountain-themed images for you to choose from. Once you've found an image that works for your design, click on it to add it to your canvas. After it's placed, resize the image as needed to fit your composition. You can click and drag the corners to adjust the size while maintaining the proper proportions. Now it's time to add your second image for blending. Go back to the left panel and click the plus icon again, then select Media. Click Photos once more, and you can either explore the featured photos or use the search bar to find another image that complements your first one. When you've selected the image you want to add, click it to place it on your canvas, resize this image and position it over or next to your first image, depending on the effect you're aiming for. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the image you want to blend. This is typically the top image or the one you want to adjust the transparency of. With the image selected, look to the left panel and click Opacity. This is the key feature that controls how your images interact with each other. You'll now see your blend options appear, such as Normal, Multiply, or Screen. Each of these blend modes creates a different visual effect. Normal keeps the image as is but allows transparency adjustments. Multiply darkens the blend by multiplying the colors of both images, which is great for creating shadows or deeper tones. Screen does the opposite, lightening the blend by screening the colors, perfect for creating bright, airy effects. Choose the blend mode that best suits your creative vision. After selecting a blend mode, use the opacity slider to fine-tune the effect. Dragging the slider left decreases opacity, making the top image more transparent and allowing the bottom image to show through more clearly. Dragging it right increases opacity, making the top image more prominent. And there you have it. You've successfully blended two images in Adobe Express to create a unique, layered design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.